I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring your device meets requirements, iOS 15 Plus and the latest Apple Music. Once done, open Settings and enable Motion and Cellular for music so animated art can load. This prevents stutter. Next, launch Apple Music and locate the track with animated cover, then tap the three-dot menu. You're starting the repair now, do not reboot yet. Instead, check that the track is downloaded to local storage. Streaming-only tracks sometimes fail to render animated artwork. Now refresh the artwork data. Remove the track from your library and immediately re-add it. This prompts Apple Music to refetch artwork metadata. Once re-added, force close the app and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to clear network sessions. This acts like a soft cache clear. Make sure Show Animated Cover Art or Reduce Motion Off is set correctly in Accessibility so the animation can play. These steps force a fresh download of the animated asset and resolve many sync glitches. Finish by restarting your device to ensure system services reload. Then open Apple Music and play the track full screen to check the animated cover. If it remains static, sign out of your Apple ID inside Music Settings and sign back in to reset entitlement checks. Make sure your subscription is active. If problems persist, reinstall Apple Music or update iOS. Troubleshooting tip: if animation fails across multiple tracks, test with another network, cellular versus Wi-Fi, to rule out router or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.